back to BA Media. Incredible! This AACAD account ranked in a staggering 27,635 last month, while the AA Image Story account scored an impressive $20,000 in just 1 month. And the best part? They achieved these phenomenal results with minimal effort simply by harnessing the power of AI. In today's video, I'm about to reveal how you can launch a Simul theme page using AI with little to no effort required. Now, I know that there are countless videos on YouTube covering this topic, but trust me, this one is different. I'm not only gonna show you the exact marketing and psychological methods you need to apply to maximum revenue generation, but also I'm gonna teach you how to do it with zero cost involved.
Wow.
You won't believe how I stumbled upon this idea while searching for new ways to make money for my business. When I discovered the astonishing earnings this seller were making in such a short time, it blew my mind. One seller managed to pull in over $100,000 on Etsy in just few months by selling mid-journey arts and prompts. That's when I thought to myself, why not create a Simul AI business but to do it better? I decided to implement my own method to achieve faster results, steering clear of Etsy, which can be slow and take months to see any real progress. Instead, I devised my own creative strategy to boost reach and sales. Buckle up because you're about to learn a whole lot. First step is to choose a captivating theme for our page. Now, here's the thing. Simply typing "I need ideas for social media theme pages" won't cut it. You'll end up with recommendations for fitness or finance niches, where AI doesn't offer much value since they are primarily informative. Need theme pages that allow us to leverage the power of AI and maximize our revenue opportunities. To filter out these niches, use the specific prompt LVT, which represents the projected revenue a customer will generate during their lifetime. The higher the value, the better. This prompt will help us discover niches where we can post AI images and capitalize on most lucrative money-making possibilities. But it doesn't stop there. We want theme pages that foster an emotional connection with the audience. Why? Because when people feel emotional attached to our page, they are more likely to develop a positive association, making them more inclined to purchase our product or services. Take Johnson's baby powder for example. It generated a staggering $1.4 billion in sales just last year, thanks for the strong emotional connection people have with this brand. So we will leverage this approach to our advantage as well. Among the results generated, I found 3 themes particularly appealing: AA Pet Portraits, AA Family Moments, and AA Love Stories. This theme offers a high emotional attachment, making it easier for us to sell our target audience. Get ready because we're about to revolutionize the AA business game with our own unique twist, unlocking faster results and higher profits. I decided to tap into the untapped markets of AA Family Moments and AA Love Stories, as these 2 niches hold immense opportunity. To narrow down the audience and maximize our sales potential, I sought more specific sub-niches within these themes. After generating several results, I zeroed it out on AA maternity and newborns, as well as on AI long-distance relationship. These sub-niches tickled all the boxes. They had emotional sentiments attached to them and a large, yet specific, audience, making it easier to convert them into sales. Although both options were appealing, I left it up to chance and spun the random wheel, which landed on the long-distance relationships. So that's the path I choose to embark on. Now it's time to design our prompts for AI image generation. This remarkable tool can bring your imagination to life, but it's crucial to know precisely what commands to give the program. Simply typing long-distance relationship on Midjourney won't cut it. We need high-quality, engaging images. That's where AI comes to our aid once again. To simplify the process, download AI PRM Chrome extension. Once installed, sign in to ChatGPT. The homepage of ChatGPT will look different now, with pre-built prompts to assist you. Search for Midjourney and select it. Then enter the keywords for which you want to create your image and hit enter. Voila! You have now the comprehensive descriptive prompt that will generate captivating images. It will provide 4 different results with various scene settings. Isn't that fantastic? I copy and paste the first prompt to Midjourney, but I understand that $10 monthly cost may deter some of you who are just starting out. Don't worry though, there's a free tool available too. It's called Leonardo AI. Visit their website, click on Launch Up, and select Yes, I'm whitelisted. You will be directed to login page where you can easily sign in. Go to AI Generation and paste the prompt we obtained from ChatGPT. Click on Generate and it will produce 4 different images. To enhance the resolution of the image you like, click on the appropriate button and then hit download. Personally, I use both Midjourney and Leonardo for image generation, but I found Midjourney images to be more creatively appealing. Of course, that's my personal opinion. Now comes the task of posting my images on social media. While organic attraction for images takes time, it's much easier to go viral and gain followers through platforms like TikTok and Reels. By following the strategy employed by this user who garnered millions of views, we can replicate their success and create a heartwarming story about long-distance relationship. People adore this kind of content, making it more likely to go viral. Get ready to take AI world by storm with our captivating images and viral storytelling approach. Success awaits us. Alright, let's head back to ChatGPT. Keep in mind that the story setting will be different based on the niche you have chosen. So read through the story generated and try to improve it if necessary. Every detail counts, so perfect it down to the last minute. Next, visit 11 Labs website, which offer the best AI voice generator with excellent free plans. With the free plans, you will get 1,000 characters equivalent to approximately 1,428 to 2,500 words, which is more than enough for a month. Copy and paste the script you have created and hit generate. Experiment with the available voices and choose the one you like best. Once you're satisfied with the voiceover, download it. Now head over to Canva and search for TikTok. Create a blank template and upload all your images and the voiceover. Import the images and the voiceover into Canvas and start editing it to your liking. Unfortunately, I can't go into details of the editing process as it would make this video too long. However, you can watch a tutorial video on how to edit on Canva. Once you have a decent side audience, you can start selling your product. You can choose to sell digital products or dropship products. Let's turn to ChatGPT for some ideas on what to sell. The result it gives me include long-distance touch lamp and a love letter templates. I believe that the long-distance touch lamp will be a winning dropshipping product. It has all the qualities to go viral and perfectly aligns with my page. Trust me, this thing sells like hotcakes. Similar account applied this strategy and gained over 1,000 Subtract subscribers within a month, generating over 20K in single month. Long-distance touch lamp will momentarily connect two lovers and people are willing to pay high value for such products. It will not only make me good money but also provide a great experience to the buyers, ultimately increasing my page brand's value. Alternatively, you can also explore print-on-demand products on Etsy, although I'm not particularly fond of this method as the market is flooded with similar products. As the sales opportunity in my niche, it's relatively lower compared to the other two products recommended by ChatGPT. Now all you have to do is upload consistently every day. The more you upload, the faster you see the result. However, be careful not to overdo it, as it can lead to burnout. The method is free and it takes only 15 minutes of your day, with minimal cost involved. We are starting with no money, but I'll keep posting on my account and share the result in the future. If you found this video helpful, please do like, and if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to get updated for more videos. I'll see you on the next one.